Hi guys, welcome to another review. This time I'm going to review hotlogo.net. Possibly you've heard of this before. This is designed to make your money quickly and fast. Well, I've actually earned nearly $27 already with it. I'm waiting upon a $20 payout, which is done on the 15th of every month and the 30th of every month, so we shall see within the next week whether I get the payout or not. So if you're interested in signing up, details will be below in the description. Start earning and start referring. The more you earn and the more you refer, the more we both earn. So let's take a quick look at this. First of all, I'll sign in. If you haven't already signed up, you need to sign up first and sign in. So we'll sign in. Here you can see available is $8.90. Yesterday's income was $3.03. I have one referral. The total gain was $10.02. There you go. Total gain is $28.9. Simple. So you come on to my jobs at the top. My jobs. Click on that. That shows you all your financial information, referral system, my status. This is your bonus system, as you can see. I'm a basic at the minute, complete 20 jobs, new users invited. To get to active bonus status, I'm going to invite 7 new users, complete 20 jobs. And here you go, bonus for new user, 0.4. So let me add another 2 cents to that, which makes 4 cents. Get to pro, and it's nearly 7 cents. So 30 plus jobs. Now if you go to the jobs, each job here, as you can see I've done the top one. That's 0.3 to 0.7. Next one here, 0.4 to 0.8. All we do is go onto here, we click choose, go down. Right, choose any one of these banners you like. So we'll go, say go to that one, it looks nice. Right, why did you choose this option? All you've got to do is answer 4 of these. So it reflects company activity. Combination of colour is rightly chosen because it looks good. The uniqueness, novelty, idea, lack of imitation, simplicity, and consciousness. We'll click that one, and we'll click these. You can click any 4 you like, or all of them. Continue. Gives you another 4, you click another 4. Right, original and draws attention, yes, looks nice. Font and image proportions, yes. The absence of complex compositions, yes, it's not very complex, is it? It's simple, and it stands out. And it also has a finished look, let's go for that as well. Continue. 0.4 I earned off that. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, press continue. Thank you for your work. Back to list. Let's take you back here, completed. 0.4, yeah. 9.3. Do it again, 0.6 to $1. Choose. Not hard. Let's have a look. Forget about that. Do this. Positive emotion. Yes, it does. Original. Fonts and image. Stands out. Has finished look. Continue. That's basically it. So within a matter of a minute, I've earned $1. Not even a minute, half a minute, which is $1. Go and do all of them. come back every day. Every day you sign in, you get $1 as well. That's another added bonus. You can earn at least $2 a day, depending on how many you can refer. Continue with that. Okay, again, there you go. Always back to list. That credits your account. See, $9.90, nearly $10 already. As you can see, I come on here. I registered at the 19th of the 2nd, 2008. Referral was 3rd of the 3rd, 2018. Basically, I haven't been on it for over a week, but I earned this much. I earned $21.03 in 2 days just by logging in. You also get a $5 bonus. Then to withdraw it, what we do is payments. Down here you'd put your payment in, Payzer. Enter withdrawal amount 20. As you can see down here, it's in progress. Payment date 8th of the 3rd, 2018. What's the date today? No, that's when I did it. Here you go. As you can see, the ordered payments are made automatically on the 16th and 30th day of each month. So basically, guys, sign up with the description below. I'll put the links in there, and hopefully we'll earn money together doing this. Try and get as many referrals as you can as well. If you already have referrals in other programs, refer them to this and get them to do it as well. Earn even more. And just before you go, I've got another little quick sideline for you, which is free, and that's the crypto tab. This will be in the description too. I've earned this much Bitcoin in 12 hours. So basically all you do is hit the link below, register, basically put the Chrome app on, and I'm basically earning while I'm actually doing other things like hot logo. So hopefully see you soon, and take care.